I'm a flight risk. I don't think they're ready for the shit. Take a flight to Cali for the bid. They don't ever wanna see me win. That's a lot of conversation. See me going up, I'm off the grid. Wanna make a couple millions for my kids. Always walking to the money, never slid. Only telling all the truth, I never fit. All the same, all the same, all the same. Spend some money, do some shit for the fame. Got a body with me, I don't know my name. Switch gears, go sky.
Hey you, can we talk? Hey you.
I grew up in a home where breakfast is always compulsory. But becoming an adult, I find it very hard to start incorporating breakfast into my life. So these past days, I have been doing better with my breakfast. So I decided to make a quick omelette today. I always find cooking breakfast a very romanticizing act to myself.
More than a dream.
Make way for the king with the first thing. Thank you so much. What's popping out? Welcome to another vlog. I've just woken up. I'm so excited to get my day started. I'm going to Vegas later this week and I have to pack. I'm so excited because this is my first Vegas trip. Like, hey, Vegas, me. I'm so emotional because what? Like, don't even get me started. Vegas is like one place I really want to go and I'm getting an opportunity to go. I can't even wait. And I have to go get my nails touched up today because they chipped when I was working out and I'm just like, a big boy with chipped up nails, it's not good. I'm one of those guys that will always get like a very nice manicure when I go to the nail shop. But yeah, let's get my day started. Now, if you know me, you know I love colors, I love dressing good, and I love looking fly. So for this Vegas trip, I don't really know what to pack. So I would pack everything that I think is colorful in my closet and just hope that it fits into my everyday life in Vegas. I'm so excited about this trip and I also don't want to overpack because I would really hate to have pieces that would not be utilized while in Vegas. But I'm just gonna do what I can and pack some shorts and pack very cute dinner looks and everyday outfits. So yes. Guys, honestly, I don't know. I don't even know. I have to do laundry, and then I don't know. I'm trying to think of colors I want to wear in Vegas, and I'm just gonna pack. That's what it's going to be. But yeah.
Touch the fire.
Burn your hands with the desire
Of the future
It's a bliss
in this battle.
and we're losing and searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is blinding. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back and relax, 'cause
So I'm currently on my way to go to the nail shop. I hope they don't mess up these nails again. Why am I walking around with chipped nails? I just hope that my usual lady is there to do her thing, because I don't know, I don't want nobody else touching on my nails. I like when people get me. She's the only one I trust to get my nails right. So yeah, I just got to the nail shop now, so I'm going to see you guys when I get these nails fixed. But I don't know, I think I want to do something else. I'm not even sure. I don't know, but this looks very clean, so I think I would just redo it. But I might change my mind. I'm very spontaneous. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. But we fell apart just in time.
So my favorite nail lady was there. It was really great. Like, she did her thing. You know, I was like, let me do something else. I was like, no, let me go back to this. It's giving natural. Like, I'm just saying, if you're a guy that don't get manicure or pedicure, I don't know. Like, this is 2023, no time for toxic masculinity. Talking about some guys don't do their nails. Guys get their nails manicured and pedicure. Like, do something for yourself. Yeah. I'm starting today off very, very slow. It is slowly dawning on me that I have to start unboxing and making sure my apartment looks livable. This is the part of moving that I never thought of, like, I was thinking. But anyways, I'm going to be getting to those boxes later on. I just have a whole lot of boxes right now, and I do not think I want to start getting into them right now. However, I'm going to be doing lunch today, and I want to go to Home Goods or Target or, like, you know, any like furniture / decor, like home decor store, so I'll be able to just look at things and see what I could buy as I would make my space livable for me. Let's get into it. But honestly, I do not know what I want to do with my apartment. I think I want to do like something like, I want to go a little bit minimalist. I don't know, and at the same time I was like, should I do like contemporary minimalist? I don't know. It's a lot. I really don't even want to think about decorating my apartment right now. I don't have any furniture. I don't have anything. I only have like my box of clothes and like utensils. Probably like I have like little fixtures here and there. No furniture. So I'm just like, I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't care what I'm thinking about. What's going on in my life, my skincare. It's gonna be on every day. And this box is almost finished. Actually, it's finished already. I just need to make sure I get that. You know, a little hyaluronic acid for hydration. Yeah, just like that. The face card. Your face card never declines. My God. The face card. Skincare is done. Hair care is done. Let me go get dressed. The outfit of the day. I'm gonna be showing you guys what the full outfit looks like. But I think I'm ready to go out. But yeah. I know I said I was going to do solo lunch, but while I was getting ready, my friend Raymond had called me, said he was gonna visit, and he brought me some housewarming gift. This is like so sweet. So we're gonna be going to lunch together. So yeah. So this is the outfit of the day. I love the color scheme, very clean. My shirt is from ASOS. My pant, my tailor in Nigeria made it for me. The boot is from ASOS. My glasses is from Amazon. My bracelet is Swarovski, and my rings are from Amazon. What do you guys think about this outfit? Yeah, I think this outfit is giving. Yeah, so I think I ate this up. So let's go to lunch. Okay, so we just got to lunch right now. We're at Hungary's in Houston, Texas. You want to say hi?
Hi guys.
I think I want a hearty salad. Something with salmon, something with avocado, or something with eggs. So I could add that substitute salmon with eggs. Like, yeah, whatever. So, lunch was great. The food was good. It was tasty. I mean, like, it was good. I don't even like Brussels sprouts, and I ate it up. I licked the plate. The plate was clean. Jesus. Jesus. Bad. Please get it together. Anyways, we're going out to Home Goods right now to go check some furniture and home decor. So stay tuned. I'm done from Home Goods. I'm so tired. I don't think I want to go anywhere again today. I was gonna go to Target, but I was like, nah, not today. However, I didn't really find anything in this Home Goods I came to. Like, there wasn't really anything like that. So I bought a candle and I bought a very nice chopping board, and that's just about it. I'm tired. I think I would just call it a day today. I haven't been to the gym in a while. I'm so sore. I plan to do better with my gym schedule, you know. Like I plan on going back to the gym, like, you know, more and more this time around. But I'm sore. Anyways, I have to do dinner with my sister. You know, just gotta catch up and all that. So, I would be getting ready right now to go for dinner. What's popping, y'all? I'm out of breath. Okay, I have arrived at my sister's place. I am the worst person you could invite to dinner because why am I late? Anyways, let's get the food ready because I still have to put the food together.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you.
There you have it, guys. Dinner is done. Dinner was great. The food was so tasty. I enjoyed myself and I caught up with my sister, which is a really big thing for me. If you enjoyed this vlog, do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.